So chapter 2, measurement and problem solving. Okay, so December 11th, 1998, NASA launched the Mars Climate Orbiter. This was the first weather satellite for a planet besides our own planet of Earth. So they launched this thing, it gets over close to Mars, and they can tell that it's coming in too close. If something's in just the right distance from a planet, it will orbit, and it'll stay in orbit, and like the moon is orbiting around the Earth, and it will just stay there indefinitely. If it comes in too close, gravity has a pull on it, and it will get closer and closer and eventually fall to Earth, usually in a ball of flame, right? So this orbiter was getting too close. They needed to do some corrections. So we got the scientists, the engineers on the ground, and they're doing the calculations, and they punch those into the computers on board the orbiter, but there was an issue with the units. The onboard computers were programmed in metric units, Newton seconds. The ground engineers entered the values in English units, pound seconds. As a result of this, the corrections didn't help, and it continued to be too close, and it crashed and burned. $125 million wasted over a unit, pounds versus newtons. So I'm telling you about this to let you know that units are critical. Units are extremely important.